Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease attacks brain cells and neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitter is the chemicals that carry messages between brain cells, affecting the way your brain functions, your memory, the way you behave. It is also the most common form of dementia. Dementia is a collection of symptoms that are caused by disorder affecting the brain. It affects thinking, behavior, and your ability to do the normal task. About 7 in 10 people with dementia have Alzheimer's disease. While the exact cause is unknown, the risk of developing Alzheimer disease may be increased by a range of factors including age, a family history of the condition, previous severe head injuries, lifestyle factors and conditions affecting heart and brain cells. Alzheimer's disease is an irreversible progressive brain disorder that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills, and eventually the ability to carry out the simplest tasks. In most people with the disease, those with a late onset type, symptoms first appear in their mid-60s. Early onset Alzheimer's occurs between a person's 30s and mid-60s and is very rare. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia among older adults. The disease is named after Dr. Alzheimer noticed changes in the brain tissues of a woman who had died of unusual mental illness. Her symptoms included memory loss, language problems, and unpredictable behavior. After she died, he examined her brain and found many abnormal clumps, now called amyloid plaques, and tangled bundles of the fiber, now called neurofibrillary or tangles. These plaques and tangles in the brain are still considered some of the main features of Alzheimer's disease. Another feature is the loss of connections between nerve cells, neurons in the brain. Neurons transmit messages between different parts of the brain and from the brain to muscles and the organs in the body. Many other complex brain changes are thought to play a role in Alzheimer's too. This damage initially appears to take place in the hippocampus, the part of the brain essential in forming memories. As neurons die, additional parts of the brain are affected. By the final stage of Alzheimer's, damage is widespread and the brain tissue has shrunk significantly.